Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Rosme. I'm Caleb.
And I'm Rose. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a very special and important topic for you.
That's right, Rose. Today we are going to learn how to train your brain to think in English.
Most English learners translate everything in their heads. They hear a sentence in English, translate it to their native language, think of an answer, and translate it back to English.
Exactly, and that takes so much time and energy. It makes speaking feel slow, hard, and exhausting. But today, we will show you simple daily steps to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Caleb, I remember when I was learning a second language, my head used to hurt at the end of the day because of all that constant translating.
I believe it. It's like running a double marathon in your mind. But once you build the habit of direct thinking, speaking becomes completely automatic.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Now, let's dive into step 1. Step 1 is the easiest step. Name individual objects around you in English.
Yes, you don't need full sentences yet. Just look around your room right now. What do you see?
Desk, chair, phone, lamp, window, coffee cup.
Every time you look at an object, say its name in English in your head. Instead of thinking the word in your native language, train your mind to associate the physical object directly with the English word.
That is so powerful, Caleb. It builds a direct connection between your eyes and your English brain.
Exactly. For instance, when you look at an apple, don't say the word in your native language first. See the red fruit and immediately think apple.
Yes, do this while walking down the street, sitting in a train, or cooking in your kitchen. It only takes a second, but doing it 50 times a day completely changes your mindset. Step 2 is describe simple actions using one verb.
Once you can name objects easily, start labeling what you or other people are doing throughout the day.
For example, when you stand up, think standing. When you open a door, think opening. When you sit at your table, think eating.
Exactly, just simple single-action verbs. Running, reading, cooking, sleeping.
What if you see someone walking their dog in the park, Caleb? What should you think?
Just think walking or barking for the dog. You don't need to build a complex sentence like, the man is walking his brown dog in the park.
Exactly. Keeping it to a single verb prevents your brain from getting overwhelmed and keeps the process quick and painless.
This helps your mind move from static objects to action without needing complicated grammar rules yet.
Step 3 is speak to yourself in full, simple sentences.
This is where the real magic happens. When you are alone at home, talk to yourself out loud or in your head about your day.
Yes, for example, I am going to make coffee now. The weather is very nice today. I need to find my keys.
Rose, do you ever talk to yourself when you're cleaning or getting ready in the morning?
All the time. I'll be in the kitchen saying, okay, now I am washing the dish. Next, I will dry it with a towel. It sounds silly, but it works so well.
It really does. And don't worry if your sentences are simple. Simple is perfect. The goal is speed and direct connection, not complex vocabulary.
That's right. If you make a mistake, don't stop to look up a grammar rule. Just keep going. Nobody is listening, so there is zero pressure. Step 4 is change your daily environment to English.
Surround yourself with English so your brain gets used to it naturally.
Change the language setting on your smartphone and computer to English.
That is such a huge tip. Think about how many times a day you unlock your phone. Every time you do, you see English words like settings, messages, or battery.
Exactly. You learn dozens of everyday words without even trying. Also, try reading short news articles in English, listen to slow English podcasts like English with Rosme, and watch English movies with English subtitles.
Should learners use subtitles in their native language or in English, Rose?
Always use English subtitles. If you use your native language subtitles, your eyes will just read your native language and your brain won't practice thinking in English at all.
That is a great distinction. When your brain sees English everywhere, it accepts English as a normal part of your daily life, not just a subject you study in a classroom. Now it's time for our favorite segment, Pocket Words.
Here are 5 essential vocabulary words from today's lesson that you can keep in your pocket and use anytime.
Word number 1, translate. To change words or sentences from one language into another. Example, try to speak naturally without trying to translate every word.
Word number 2, associate. To connect two ideas, words, or things together in your mind. Example, I associate the smell of coffee with quiet morning hours.
Word number 3, environment. The surroundings or conditions in which a person lives or operates. Example, changing your phone to English creates a great learning environment.
Word number 4, fluency. The ability to speak or write a language easily, smoothly, and accurately. Example, thinking in English is the secret to achieving true fluency.
Word number 5, habit. A settled or regular practice that you do automatically without thinking. Example, talking to yourself in English every morning is a wonderful habit.
Now, let's move on to smooth it out.
Let's fix some common beginner phrases and make them sound totally natural.
Sentence number 1. Instead of saying, I am doing a translation in my head, say, I am translating in my head.
Sentence number 2. Instead of saying, I make my brain full of English, say, I surround myself with English.
Sentence number 3. Instead of saying, I talk with my own self, say, I am talking to myself.
Sentence number 4. Instead of saying, I want to have easy speaking, say, I want to speak fluently.
Now, let's practice putting all these ideas together into a natural conversation.
Hey Rose, you look very focused today. What are you working on?
Hey Caleb, I was actually thinking about how much easier it is to speak English when I don't translate every sentence in my mind.
That is so true. How did you break the habit of translating?
I started small. First, I named basic objects around my room in English. Then I began talking to myself while cooking dinner or cleaning the house.
Did you find it strange to talk to yourself at first?
A little bit, but after a few days, it became completely natural. Now I even plan my grocery shopping list in English.
That is incredible. Does it really help with speaking speed when you talk to other people?
Absolutely. Now, when someone asks me a question in English, the answer comes out naturally without any awkward delay or pause.
That is fantastic advice for all of our listeners.
You did an incredible job listening today. Training your brain takes practice, but if you do it every single day, you will see huge results.
Remember, start small. Name 3 objects near you right now. Say 1 verb for what you are doing. Step by step, your brain will switch to English mode.
Now, we have a challenge for you. Look around the room right now, pick 1 object, and write its name in English in the comments below.
Yes, tell us, what is 1 object sitting right next to you today?
We can't wait to read your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and share this video with fellow learners.
Thank you for watching English with Rosme. Keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and stay confident.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.